Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be working on a quick fix on how to clean your background seamlessly without stress. To duplicate your layer, or you press Command J twice. You name the top layer subject. I like to name it subject, just it makes it easy for me. And then you name the second layer background. Basically, now for you to be able to do this, all you need to do is select your top layer, go to your selection button. Now you can actually select for a detailed result. You need to click on the cloud option. So what this does, it helps you refine the hairline, and it gives you as close as possible to get the job done, if that makes sense. So what you need to do is, after that, you click on your selection. So what I'm trying to do by this is I'm trying to isolate my subject from my background. So what I'm going to do is, the first step is to remove my subject. I'll put my subject on a different layer and then have my background on another layer entirely. To be able to do that, I've done this. All you need to do is you need to click mask it, and then you turn off your first layer, and then you move to the second layer. Now, in order to save us time and save the stress, you press Command and then you click on your mask. It automatically selects the mask, the first layer. So all you need to do next is to go back to your selection toggle, and then you click on modify, and then you expand your selection. Now I basically like using figures from between 20 to 30. So you click on 20, 25, 30, whichever works for you, but 30 works fine for me, or 25. So now what you've done is you've expand your selected area. So what this basically does is it helps you remove the subjects from the background, so differentiating between my background and my subject. So now after doing that, all I need to do is I just click on content aware fill. So sometimes some people would like to use generative fill, which allows the AI to do the job. Not really a delicate backdrop, it's just a plain background. So I would rather stick with my content aware fill. So this is what it gives me. It's not perfect, but I can make do with that just for the sake of this illustration. So what I need to do next is to select the background and merge the layers together. After merging the layers together, don't forget to deselect. Now this is beautiful. So for someone like me, I like turning on my first layer, which is my subject layer, to be able to see how it blends to the background. So while you're still clicking on, you go to your filter and you come to noise, and then you come to median. So now with median, now for some people, I like keeping my background as realistic as possible, where you can actually see the details of my shadows, and you can see the banding from where the canvas or where the backdrop is being bent. I like it. I don't like my subject looking flying on the air. So all you need to do is you go back to one, and then you slide your slider close as much as possible while you observe the changes, and you move to between. I don't know what works for you, but for me, I feel like I'm a very good lover of the score. I'm very okay with 100, and which gives me what I want. And then you click enter, and you can actually see the differences is there already. The changes are there already. So now one of the things you do, put more ambience to the background. You go back to filter, and then you click on blur, and then you go to Gaussian blur. After going to Gaussian blur, I like keeping between 4.5 to 2, because I don't want it to be too blurry. It gives you a weird look and then stuff like that if it's too dark, but I just like to keep it on the low. So what this does, it just helps you blend out all the bandings, and then you click OK. So now you can see my subjects and my background. So now if it's not really that perfect, you still have to do some jobs to put in some shapes just to get everything done. But if you're in a hurry, yeah, it's something you can actually quickly get soft. So but then to be able to clear out the footpath shadows and everything, I put all my work in group, and then I put a mask on it, and then I select my brush, making sure the foreground color is white, and then my brush stroke is black. I drop my opacity, my flow to 10, and then I can drop my opacity to something like 2021, and then you paint just to be able to put in a little bit of shadows, and then you're good to go. Just clean your background in less than 2 to 3 minutes. So I'll call it a quick fix. Well guys, if you enjoyed it, do not hesitate to subscribe to my channel. See you on the next one, guys. Keep creating. Cheers.